The development of any state is hugely dependent on its availability of water and corresponding irrigation facilities. To boost the irrigation of Telangana state, the water from the Godavari Pranahita region, which flows unused, will now be utilized for the benefit of the newborn state. And thus, the prestigious Kaleshwaram project is conceived to lift 195 TMC water through lift irrigation method from Godavari river to serve 1.5 million hectares of Ayakat with an enormous budget of 1,05,000 crores. Of all the reservoirs of Kaleshwaram project, Mallana Sagar is the biggest reservoir with FRL of 557 meters. The construction of this reservoir has been divided into 4 reaches, out of which Reach 1 is under the supervision of VPR Mining Infrastructure Private Limited for its acclaimed trust in administration and construction. Mallana Sagar Reservoir is designed for a capacity of 50 TMC of water with 23.6 kilometers length of earthen bund with maximum height of 63 meters and spread across the submergence area of 75 square kilometers. To hold this massive quantum of water, the design of Mallana Sagar has got a special importance. The earth bund of the reservoir is built with the utmost technical standards where the cross-sectional view has the clayey soil in the central hearting zone and casing zones on either side. To construct this earth bund, initially survey alignment and soil investigation tests are done as per specifications. Cut-off trench excavation is done as per guidelines, and the strata below the cut-off trench is proposed with cement grouting up to a maximum depth of 21 meters to further arrest the seepage. Once the grouting is finished, cut-off trench filling is done up to the ground level with clayey soils. On the edge of the downstream side, rock toe construction is done, duly connecting the inclined sand chimney and horizontal sand and metal blankets to collect any seepage. After that, hearting embankment is done layer by layer with clayey soils, and casing embankment is done by pervious soils like red soil on both the sides of hearting zone. At the final stage, rough stone revetment is provided on top of sand and metal filter media on the upstream side of casing zone. The work is being executed under the close supervision of construction and quality control engineers. Necessary tests are being conducted on every compacted layer of earth bund as per the codal provisions. Soil testing laboratory is established at site of work with all testing equipments, and experienced technicians are attending round the clock. VPR Mining Infrastructure Private Limited is a Hyderabad-based leading mining and irrigation firm with an annual turnover of around $250 million. The VPR Mining Infrastructure Private Limited currently has major ongoing contracts in mining and irrigation sectors with various prominent central and state government public sector firms in India. The firm has a fleet of more than 1,000 small and large equipment at its disposal and commands a production capacity of more than 180 million BCM per annum. Since inception, it has expertise in design, engineering, excavation, project execution and management in its construction projects. The VPR Mining Infrastructure Private Limited is known for efficiently completing the project before the deadline. To empower and employ local communities, VPR Mining Infrastructure Private Limited has handpicked people from among the many, whom they found efficient and devoted fit to work in this project in turning Telangana's dream into reality. The VPR Mining Infrastructure Private Limited has a fleet of state-of-art equipment with super-powered engines that work at site, and we take pride of the same. A massive army of men works towards fulfilling the project that will ease out Telangana's water issues and would boost agricultural, drinking water and industrial sectors. Before starting the work on the field, plans are carefully drafted out with extreme minute details to make every bit of the project perfect and successful. Every worker at the site has made this dream their own and are working day and night to elevate this project to success. The paramount concern of the company is the safety of each of its valuable and irreplaceable workers who work against the clock in extreme conditions amidst huge machinery. The company has taken every possible step to keep each one of its workers safe during the project. All safety precautions are being followed. This huge project is sure to come up to the expectations and fulfill all the demands of the newborn Telangana state, as this project is being undertaken by the very efficient and perfectionist, the VPR Mining Infrastructure Private Limited.